When it comes to compact, intelligent flying machines, few names generate as much excitement as DJI, and the upcoming DJI Neo 2 is shaping up to be one of the most intriguing drone releases of 2025. A model that merges cutting-edge performance with accessibility in a way that could redefine what small-scale aerial cinematography means. After the surprising success of the first Neo, which combined the portability of a mini drone with features once reserved for professional models, DJI seems determined to push things further this year. According to multiple leaks and insider reports circulating across social platforms and specialized drone communities, the DJI Neo 2 won't just be a minor upgrade, it could become a serious challenger to the Mini 4 Pro and the Air 3, striking a perfect balance between lightweight design, advanced AI-assisted shooting, and new generation flight technology. Rumors suggest DJI has re-engineered the Neo 2's flight control system to be smoother and more stable in windy conditions, utilizing the same next-gen propulsion architecture found in DJI's mid-tier models. This should result in greater stability, improved hover accuracy, and enhanced resistance to turbulence, features that are essential for creators who film in unpredictable outdoor environments. Beyond its aerodynamic improvements, the camera system is rumored to be the biggest highlight. The DJI Neo 2 may feature a redesigned 1.3-inch sensor, with dual native ISO and 10-bit D-Log-M color profile, capable of recording stunning 4K at 100 FPS or 2.7K slow-motion footage at up to 200 FPS, giving creators far more creative flexibility. With sharper dynamic range, better low-light clarity, and AI-assisted subject tracking that uses deep learning algorithms to recognize not just people or vehicles, but even animals and objects dynamically, the Neo 2 could revolutionize compact drone photography. The integration of DJI's latest O4 video transmission system reportedly extends the range up to 20 kilometers with ultra-low latency and increased anti-interference protection, ensuring rock-solid connectivity even in dense environments. Battery performance is another area where DJI is rumored to have made major strides, with early prototype testers suggesting flight times close to 40 minutes on a single charge, powered by a higher-density lithium pack with improved heat dissipation. This longer endurance could make the Neo 2 an ideal travel companion for vloggers, explorers, and filmmakers who need reliable, portable performance without the constant worry of battery swaps. What's even more exciting is that DJI seems to be focusing heavily on user-friendly AI integration. New features such as Smart Flight Path 2.0, Gesture Control Plus, and Auto Re-Edit 3.0 are expected to make shooting and editing seamless, automatically detecting the most cinematic angles and transitions using real-time flight data and camera analytics. It's essentially like having a professional aerial cinematographer inside a pocket-sized drone. Furthermore, rumors indicate that the DJI Neo 2 will include omnidirectional obstacle sensing, something rarely seen in ultralight drones, using 6 wide-angle sensors to build a full 3D map of its surroundings. Combined with improved ActiveTrack 6.0, the Neo 2 could follow subjects through forests, cities, or mountain trails with precision and fluidity previously impossible in small drones. Pricing speculation suggests that DJI will position the Neo 2 between the Mini 4 Pro and Air 3, possibly starting around $799, making it accessible for both enthusiasts and professionals looking for a compact yet powerful tool. Design-wise, leaked renders hint at a sleeker, more aerodynamic body with upgraded arms, a refined camera gimbal for smoother motion, and a slightly larger footprint for improved stability. The propeller structure also appears optimized for quieter operation, an essential upgrade for content creators who often shoot in public or noise-sensitive areas. The Neo 2's controller might adopt the new RC3 design with an integrated display, providing an enhanced first-person view experience, possibly supporting up to 1,000 nits of brightness for visibility in direct sunlight. Another major talking point is DJI's rumored push toward more sustainable packaging and modular upgrade paths, hinting that the Neo 2 may support swappable lens filters, modular battery packs, or even future accessory compatibility like FPV goggles for an immersive experience. This approach could make it one of the most future-ready drones in its segment. On the software side, insiders claim DJI Fly app updates will introduce an AI story generator that can auto-edit footage into cinematic sequences synced to music, potentially integrating with DJI's own editing suite. Additionally, the Neo 2 may incorporate GPS Plus, Galileo Plus, Beidou hybrid positioning for ultra-precise location tracking, improved return-to-home accuracy, and smarter flight planning for mapping enthusiasts. Considering DJI's track record, the release window for the Neo 2 is expected to fall in late 2025, possibly around the holiday season or early Q4 launch event. If true, that timing would position it perfectly for content creators looking to capture stunning travel footage and seasonal landscapes. Industry analysts predict that DJI could use this model to expand its dominance in the beginner to mid-drone segment, appealing to both recreational flyers who want simplicity and professionals who demand precision. The competition is heating up. Autel, Skydio, and even smaller players like Fimi and Hubsan are pushing innovation, but DJI's unmatched synergy between hardware and software remains hard to beat. With each leak, excitement continues to grow, and it's becoming clear that the DJI Neo 2 isn't just a refresh. It's potentially the new benchmark for compact aerial imaging. Its mix of intelligent automation, cinematic color science, durable design, and travel-friendly dimensions suggests DJI is targeting not just drone enthusiasts, but lifestyle vloggers, filmmakers, and even first-time flyers who want professional-level results without the learning curve. If these rumors hold true, the DJI Neo 2 could be remembered as the drone that redefined the smart compact category, proof that innovation doesn't have to mean compromise. From its rumored sensor and flight time upgrades to its AI-powered cinematic modes and intuitive controls, this drone embodies the future of accessible aerial creativity. Whether you're chasing golden hour shots along a coastal ridge, tracking athletes through forest trails, or capturing cityscapes from a breathtaking perspective, the Neo 2 seems engineered to make every frame look effortless. DJI has mastered the art of merging reliability with innovation. And if the Neo 2 performs anywhere near the level its leaks suggest, it might just be the most balanced and feature-rich drone under 1 kilogram ever made. A true marvel of modern design, performance, and intelligent flight technology that could set the new standard for 2025 and beyond.